Question number 17. A student asked to perform a study on the organism causing polio disease. Which of the following scientific topics help him performing his study? A, viral diseases. B, bacterial diseases. C, disease-carrying insect. D, parasitic worms. Of course, the answer is A, which is the viral disease. Why? Because polio is a virus. Polio is a virus. So the study of viral diseases will help the researcher here or the student in order to find out or to perform the study. Okay, the viral, because polio is a viral disease.